NTTool is pleased to introduce our newly developed milling chuck, the Super Tight Lock CTS series, available in BT, CAT, and HSK tapers. The CTS Super Tight Lock milling chuck retains the physical dimensions of our popular CTA chuck, designed for light to medium cutting, but has the added advantage of being able to take the heavier cuts usually associated with our CTV chucks. The CTS is truly a general-purpose holder capable of going from finishing to heavy roughing cuts with one body, all while maintaining an economical size. Let me highlight a few of the technical features which will illustrate why NT's Super Tight Lock CTS milling chuck should be your first choice. First, NT has incorporated 4 deep groove slots spaced equally around the ID of the bore at the mouth of the tool, dramatically improving gripping forces in this critical area. Secondly, NT's patented T-slot grooves in the same area of the bore not only increase gripping forces, but also reduce micro vibrations, allowing heavier cuts to be taken. This combination of deep groove and T-slots ensures a tool which will be held securely with increased protection against tool slippage. Another unique feature of NT's Super Tight Lock CTS milling chucks is the 2-stage tightening system. Comprised of a black ring indicator and a tightening stop system, adjustment for cutting conditions ranging from finishing to roughing becomes easy and error-free. When tightening, you are ready for high accuracy finishing and general machining when the black ring disappears from sight. Continue tightening until the tightening stop system engages and you are now ready to perform those heavier cuts you need to make. Due to the unique design of the Super Tight Lock holder, through coolant is delivered directly and efficiently without the need for additional seals, as long as the tool shank is inserted past the deep groove slot. If using a cutting tool with a shank diameter smaller than the bore of the Super Tight Lock holder, NT's specially designed MCOH coolant collets may be used. This will allow you to take advantage of the through-the-tool coolant capabilities, still with no additional seals. The new double seal design of the Super Tight Lock holder allows you to run aggressive cutting data and also contributes to extended holder life. NT's double seal system, with a resin seal at the mouth of the tool and a rubber seal behind the locking nut, combines to create a sealed system. The internal components of the holder are protected from dust and other contaminants, reducing maintenance costs and extending holder life. Another advantage of the resin seal at the mouth of the Super Tight Lock milling chuck is security, allowing for machining at high RPMs without fear of seal releasing. In review, the new Super Tight Lock milling chuck from NT, incorporating new and unique design features, provides superior gripping forces and the ability to cover the full machining spectrum, from finishing to roughing, in one economically sized tool.